everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about data migration, best practices for cloud-based virtual data rooms. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories that businesses use to store and share confidential documents with external stakeholders. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories that businesses use to store and share confidential documents with external stakeholders. Virtual data rooms are used in a variety of industries, including investment banking, real estate, and healthcare. Cloud-based virtual data rooms are hosted in the cloud, which means that are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud-based virtual data rooms are typically easy to set up and use, and they are scalable to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Data migration is a process of transferring data from one system to another. When migrating data to our virtual data rooms, it is important to follow best practices to ensure that the migration is successful and that your data is secure. Here is some data migration best practices for cloud-based virtual data rooms. Plan your migration. Before you start migration data to your virtual data rooms, take some time to plan your migration. This will help you to identify the data that needs to be migrated, the best way to migrate the data, and the resources that you need. Use a migration tool. There are a number of data migration tools available that can help you to migrate data to your virtual data rooms. Data migration tools can save you time and help to reduce the risk of errors. Test your migration. Before you migrate your data to production, it is important to test your migration in a staging environment. This will help you to identify any problems with the migration and make necessary adjustments. Migrate your data in batches. It is best to migrate your data in batches to minimize downtime and disruption. Monitor your migration. Monitor your migration closely to ensure that it is progressing smoothly. Here are some additional tips for data migration to cloud-based virtual data rooms. Cleans your data before migration. This includes removing duplicate data, correcting errors, and formatting your data in a way that is compatible with your virtual data rooms. Encrypt your data before migration. This will help to protect your data during the migration process. Back up your data before migration. This will ensure that you have a copy of your data in case something goes wrong during the migration process. Communicate with the stakeholders. Communicate with your stakeholders about the data migration process, including the goals, timeline, and any potential disruptions. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your data migration to a virtual data rooms is successful and that our data is secure. Here are some examples of how businesses can use migration best practices to improve the data migration projects. An investment bank could use data migration best practices to migrate its investment agreement data to the virtual data rooms. This would allow the investment bank to access its investment agreement data from anywhere with an internet connection and improve its efficiency. A real estate agent could use data migration best practices to migrate its property listing data to a virtual data rooms. This would allow the real estate agents to share property listing data with potential buyers from anywhere with an internet connection and improve its communication. A healthcare provider could use data migration best practices to migrate its patient record data to a virtual data room. This would allow the healthcare provider to access patient record data from anywhere with an internet connection and improve its efficiency. By following this data migration best practices, businesses can improve their efficiency, communication, and security. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.